Welcome to JH. Here is how to locate a Facebook user with their phone number. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping the menu icon in the upper right corner. Next, select the gear icon to enter your settings. At the top, choose See More in Account Center, then navigate to your information and permissions. From there, pick Upload Contacts. Select Facebook and switch the toggle to On. This syncs your phone's contact list with the platform. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the upload. Note that the specific number must be saved in your phone's contacts for this to work, as it will then display the linked profile. If that doesn't work, try this alternative. Open any web browser and search for Find Facebook Account. Click the link for Forgot Password or Identify Your Account. On the following page, input the phone number and press Search. Facebook will reveal the associated account, including the name and profile photo. Finally, return to the Facebook app, tap the search icon, and enter the name you just discovered. Use the profile picture to verify you have found the right person.